Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unbagging for you. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you and welcome to all the new subscribers, and thank you to all of my older subscribers that's been with me for a while. So I hope you're all doing well, and please leave me some comments. I do enjoy reading them. I always answer back, and do all them YouTubey things, y'all. You know, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. So this comes to me from Paintsomeway, and I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me to share with all of y'all. And so the first thing that I got was this big old canvas. Hold your ears. Alright, so, alright, this, as you can see, it is like the material canvas. It comes with a, what I would call an above average toolkit, which is a single placer pen with a scrunchie. And y'all look, it has got the 4-placer that is the white thin 4-placer. I love these. These are my favorite. So it comes with that. It also is going to come with, let's see, which one is this? Oh, it's not going to tell me. I'm figuring this is probably a 10-placer, but it's the thin white ones also. It comes with 2 plates of wax. It's going to come with these silver tweezers, and then a boat with a spout. Alright, so here's all the drills. If y'all can see, I know that my lighting is horrible, and it's also reflecting off this white canvas. So, well, we'll look at those here in just a second. So what I got, y'all, was this canvas. Now, this is a 40 by 40, and there are 35 colors in this. It is DMC charted, and it also has the drill quantity listed on here also. So here is a thumbnail of what I got, or what this canvas is. And as you can see, it is a little pixelated. It does look better in the camera, even at a 40 by 40, but I think it's going to look awesome once we lay the drills down. We're just going to have to, trust the process. So, this canvas is called Ice Cream Truck by the Sea. It was $10.99, and y'all, it's an AB. So, we're going to look and see what ABs we got. So, I don't know how many ABs are in this. So, we're just going to have to look. Alright. So, all of the drills are already bagged. There's no, yeah, right there it is. It does have the size of the canvas and the canvas number. So, that's a big old bag of those. So, on the bag, it's going to tell what the DMC number is and how many drills is in this bag. So, I always like it when they do that. I mean, it doesn't make any difference, but I think it's cool just knowing how many drills is in the bag and how many you need. And the drills look good. I mean, I'm not seeing any. Of course, I'm going through it kind of fast because I've got another one to go through or to show y'all. But the drills look really good. And again, this puts me in mind of a Hurricane. I like Hurricanes. So I don't have an issue with any of that. Some greens. These colors are really pretty, really vivid. All right. Let's see. And y'all, in this whole bag, I don't see any 310s. Is that crazy? It's like very rare to have a canvas with 0 310s. All right, so I see 2, 3, 4. That's a pretty color. More greens, more greens. A lot of greens. All right, so it looks like we're going to have 4 ABs. All right, so we have got 819, 666, 904, and 648 is going to be our ABs. So, again, the canvas is very clear. It does have what we call the dummy circles, or it's also called, oh my gosh, it's the dummy, they call them dummy circles, or, oh my God, what is the other thing that they call them? Come on, y'all. I know y'all are screaming at me. Y'all gonna have to scream a little louder because I can't hear you. I don't know. I can't remember. It's kind of late that I'm doing these videos. And if you can hear my voice, you know I've been doing a lot of videos today. Training wheels. Thank you. I heard that. All right, so very, very sticky. And like I said, it's a tad pixelated, but it does look really good in the camera. But I thought this was so cute. Because you got your palm trees in the back. You got some boats back there. Your ice cream truck with the pictures of the different ice creams. I used to love those. I tell you what my favorite one is the strawberry shortcake. It's always been my favorite ice cream from the ice cream truck. And then we've got a dog right here. We've got a bicycle. We've got a table, 2 chairs, and it looks like they're having some kind of milkshake. But this is just absolutely cute. So, 819 is going to be, it's the check mark. So all of this, that's why there's a lot of the pink, is going to be ABs. So all the pink is going to be ABs. And then the red, it is the chairs. Right in here. We've got some right there in the bicycle frame. We've got some right here. And then over here. So that's the red. And then 648, see, is going to be the let's see. I'm looking. I'm not, where are they at? Okay, I guess I'm blind. Well, I know I am, but I'm not seeing. Y'all, sorry about the shaking. The boys are under my desk and they're hitting the stand that my camera is in. Well, I'll be. I don't see where these are going. Why am I not seeing where they're going? What did I say that was? 648. I don't know. I don't see the symbol. I don't know. All right, well, I don't know where that one's going. All right, so 904 is down here, and it's the N. So we have got some ABs up in the trees. There are going to be ABs down here in the seat cushions. And that looks like that's about it. Which, I mean, there's not that many in the bag. So, alright. So, this one, like I said, is called Ice Cream Truck by the Sea with 4 ABs in it. And it was $10.99 for this canvas. Alright, so the next one and the last one that I got, and I'm just going to slide that over there, is this one, because I had to get it. Because if you've seen my other videos, you know I've got the one that is the girl. So when I seen this one and it's the boy, I had to get it. So this one on Paintsomeway is $5.99 if I can get this plastic off of here. What in the world? I know it's, I guess it'd help if I do the right end, huh? Alright, so this one comes with your regular toolkit, just standard toolkit, and this one is in the little baggies, which hold 200 drills, and this is the image. It has 22 colors, and it is a 40 by 40. And this one was called Good Time. And it was $5.99. So, very sticky. So, yeah, I've got the girl holding the popcorn. So, now I've got the boy holding, I think this might be a drink. I thought it was going to be popcorn, but as I'm sitting here looking at it, there is a straw. So I think this is maybe some kind of candy shake or something. And then we've got, looks like either candy or maybe marbles. I don't know. I don't know what that's supposed to be. But all the colors and it's rendered really nice. Now, I don't want to get these out, but I thought this was an AB. I thought this had AB drills in it, but it doesn't, which is fine because the other one that I have doesn't either. But these little bags, these are the ones everybody hates. I don't care. I don't like them. I'd rather not have them, but I'm not going to cry over them. So what I do is, to open them, I just take and I fold them accordion style. I might not do a whole bunch of them like that. I might do like 3 or 4 at a time, but I'll do them up like an accordion fold, and I just snip the ends and pour them out. The only thing I don't like, really, I hate about these is that, let me see if I can find, yeah, like sometimes you can't even see what these are. Like, for instance, if I only needed 1 bag of these, it would have to be a process of elimination on what number these were, because sometimes you can see the number, but sometimes you can't. And then sometimes they're printed like almost coming off, like these. You see how, you know, they're just like almost at the cutting edge. I wish I could find one. Well, I mean, I'm glad I don't. Okay, well, here you go. We've got 2 bags of 318, okay? But it's printed right there where you cut these. So if all I needed was that 1 bag, I have no idea what that is, because it's been cut off. So that's what I hate about these. Not so much the size of the bags. It's the fact that the way they print them, they're so offset. And then half the time, like I said, if you can see, the ink's coming off. And yeah, that's why I don't like them. It really doesn't have anything to do with the size of the bags. I like kitting up, so I don't have an issue with it. And like I said, I just take, now fold them up 3 or 4 bags at a time, snip the top off, dump them in my container. It's not a real big issue. Would I rather have bags of, you know, like the little Ziploc bags? Yeah, most definitely. Okay. Or the train. I'd rather have a train. Alright, so again, this is a 40 by 40, and this was $5.99. This is called Good Time. And the other one is the ice cream truck by the sea, and it is a 40 by 40. Of course, you can see the difference in a 40 by 40 and a 40 by 40. So this is not a true 40 by 40. The whole canvas is a 40 by 40. So it's from here to here is 40 by 40. So this, you're probably getting about a 35 by 35. Okay, I don't have my measuring tape. This would be a true 40 by 40. So the whole canvas that we drill is 40 by 40. So if you hear anybody say true 40 by 40, that's what they're talking about. That the canvas itself that we drill is actually a 40 by 40 or whatever size. So this one was $10.99. This one was $5.99. Both on Paintsomeway. And I will leave the links in my description box for y'all to check out. And please make sure you do all the YouTube things, like, subscribe, comment. I would appreciate it. And I want to thank Paintsomeway for sending them to me. And thank y'all for watching. And until my next video, I will see you later. Bye, y'all.